welcome to the workshop. In this episode, we're going to flip the frames using the trusty engine crane, because this weighs a lot. I wouldn't like to guess, but I can't pick it up on my own. So we're going to use the engine crane, some straps, and we're going to try and flip it over. Somehow. Maybe. Hit the music. Hello, are we back? We kind of lost you there. I think the battery died. So we've got a strap, we've got it round. I'm just going to test it and see if we're in the middle or close to the middle. Enough to get it off the frame and down here, across the legs. Let's carry on. Well, that's not bad, is it? Not a bad guess. It's still heavy. She's a heavy. Oh, scratchy pain! This is really heavy. We're not even finished making it yet. I think I'm going to put some timbers underneath just to raise it off here. Yeah. there you go, that's how I turned mine over. With an engine crane. It may have been better to use 2 straps or a multiple amount of straps, which I do have, and I think that's what we're going to have to do when we turn it back the right way around. So now we can concentrate on the bottom. First things first is we've got the footwell. The checker plate for the footwell needs to go in now. Couple of brackets, plate, bit of a weld, job done. And then we can take that out and we can start work on the pivot for the rear pony wheel. And then we've got the pony wheel to do. We've got the wheels to finish and the cranks to go on, the wheels to go in, the suspension, the brake hangers, the brake connecting rods, the brake blocks. We've got a lot to do, but it's one step at a time. If you like what you see in the video, please do click the like button. That will help it share further in the YouTube algorithm thing, me bob jobby. If you'd also like to click the subscribe button and the notification bell, you'll be notified when we next release a video, which could be quite soon. Join me next time for more trials and tribulations in the Matt Chivers workshop. Laters. I'm going to need a brew after this. Where to start?